Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a coffee shop, specifically at Starbucks. In this video, you will follow a simple and friendly story about two friends learning how to order drinks in English. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What is the smallest size called at Starbucks? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Hey, Mina, over here.
Hi, Sam. Sorry, am I late?
No, you are right on time. Are you ready to go inside?
I am a little nervous. I have never ordered in English at Starbucks before.
Oh, don't worry about it. It is really easy. You only need a few simple words.
A few simple words? But what if the staff talks too fast? What if I don't understand their question?
That is a good point, but the questions at Starbucks are always the same. Once you learn them, you will understand every time.
The same questions every time? That makes me feel better.
Yes, and I will teach you all of them today, so really, don't worry.
Okay, I always see the menu and there are so many things. I don't know what to say.
I know, the menu looks overwhelming, but you don't need to know everything. Just a few words, and you are fine.
Okay, so what are we going to do today?
First, we will look at the menu together. I will explain the sizes and drinks. Then you will try to order by yourself.
By myself? That is scary.
It is not scary. I will be right next to you. And after you order, I will order too. You can watch me. Then we will sit down and talk about what we learned.
Okay, that sounds good. Let's go in.
Let's go. All right, here is the menu. What do you see?
I see latte, coffee, cappuccino. These words I know. But what about the sizes? I don't understand them.
Good question. At Starbucks, the sizes are a little different. The small size is called tall.
Wait, tall? But tall means big, right? Why is the small size called tall?
I know, it is confusing, but that is just the Starbucks name. Tall is the smallest. The medium size is called grande.
Grande? That sounds like Spanish or Italian.
Yes, I think it is Italian, and the large size is called venti.
Venti. Okay, so tall is small, grande is medium, and venti is large.
Exactly. You got it. You don't need to say small or medium. Just use tall, grande, or venti.
Got it. Okay, so what drink should I get?
What do you like? Do you like coffee, or do you like something with milk?
I like milk drinks. What is a latte?
A latte is coffee with a lot of milk. It is smooth and easy to drink. It is very popular. If you like sweet drinks, a latte is a great choice.
What about a cappuccino? Is it the same as a latte?
No, they are a little different. I will explain the difference later. For today, let's start with a simple latte. It is the easiest drink to order.
Okay, a latte sounds perfect. What size? I will get a tall.
Nice choice. Do you want sugar in your latte?
Can I ask for sugar when I order?
You can, but usually at Starbucks, there is a counter with sugar, milk, and other things. You can add sugar yourself after you get your drink.
Oh, that is convenient. I will add sugar later then.
Good idea. Oh, and one more thing. You can change the milk for free at some stores.
Change the milk? What do you mean?
You can ask for different milk, like soy milk, oat milk, or almond milk. Sometimes it is free, sometimes there is a small extra charge. It depends on the store and the country.
Oh, that is nice. But today I will keep it simple, just regular milk.
Good idea. Now, here is a useful tip about ordering. I want a latte is not wrong, but can I get a latte sounds more polite and more natural.
Oh, really? So, can I get is better?
Yes, it is not that I want is bad, but can I get is what most people say at coffee shops. It sounds friendly and polite.
Can I get a tall latte? That is easy.
Right? Just remember, can I get plus the size plus the drink name.
Can I get a tall latte? Okay, I think I can do this.
You can do it. Let's go to the counter.
Hi. Welcome to Starbucks. What can I get for you?
Hi. Can I get a tall latte, please?
Sure. Would you like that hot or iced?
Oh, hot, please.
Hot latte. Got it. And is that for here or to go?
For here, please.
Great. Can I get a name for the order?
Mina.
Mina. Got it. Oh, and just so you know, if you order a regular coffee today, you can get a discounted refill while you are in the store.
A refill? You mean I can get another coffee for a cheaper price?
Yes, exactly. If you stay in the store, you can get another cup of regular coffee at a lower price. It is a really good deal.
Oh, that is good to know. But today I will have the latte. Thank you for telling me.
No problem. Would you like to add any food? We have cookies, cakes, and sandwiches.
Oh, no thank you. Just the latte today.
Okay. Your total is $4.50. Cash or card?
Card, please.
Great. Go ahead and top right here. Perfect. You can wait at the end of the counter for your drink.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Hi there. What can I get for you today?
Hey, can I get a grande iced latte with soy milk, please?
A grande iced latte with soy milk. You got it. Would you like any sweetener with that?
No sweetener, thank you. But can I also get a chocolate chip cookie?
Of course. So that is a grande iced soy latte and a chocolate chip cookie. Would you like the cookie warmed up?
Oh, yes, please. Warmed up sounds great.
Sure thing. Is that for here or to go?
For here, please.
Great. And can I get a name?
Sam.
Sam. Got it. Your total is $7.20.
Sure. Can I pay with a card?
Of course. Just tap or insert your card right here.
Great. Here you go. Thank you.
Thank you, Sam. Your drink and cookie will be ready at the end of the counter.
Perfect. Thanks a lot.
Sam, I did it. I ordered in English.
You did great. Your English was really good. How did it feel?
It was easier than I thought. The barista spoke slowly and clearly so I could understand.
That is good. Most baristas are used to talking to many different people, so they are easy to understand.
By the way, the barista asked for my name. Is that normal?
Yes, at Starbucks, they always ask your name. They write it on your cup. When your drink is ready, they call your name.
Oh, so I just need to listen for my name?
Exactly. When you hear your name, you can just say yes, or that's me, or just go and pick it up.
That's me. I like that. It is easy to remember. What if they say my name wrong?
That happens sometimes. Don't worry about it. If it sounds close to your name, it is probably yours. You can just go and pick it up.
Okay, I will listen carefully.
Good idea. Oh, by the way, do you remember you asked me about cappuccino earlier?
Oh, yes, you said you would explain later. So, what is the difference between a latte and a cappuccino?
Sure. So a latte is made with espresso and a lot of steamed milk. It is smooth and creamy. A cappuccino also has espresso, but it has less milk and a lot of foam on top.
Foam? Like bubbles?
Yes, like soft, fluffy milk bubbles on top. It is very nice. So a latte is smooth and milky, and a cappuccino is lighter with more foam.
I see. And regular coffee? How is that different?
Regular coffee is the simplest. It is just coffee with water. No milk, no foam. It tastes more like pure coffee, so the coffee flavor is much stronger.
So a latte is soft, a cappuccino is in the middle, and regular coffee has the strongest coffee taste.
That is a great way to put it.
I want to try a cappuccino next time. The foam sounds nice.
You should. There are so many drinks to try. You can also get tea at Starbucks if you don't want coffee.
Oh, they have tea too? I did not know that.
Yes, they have green tea, black tea, and other kinds. You can order tea the same way. Just say, "Can I get a tall green tea?"
That is really useful. The same phrase works for everything.
Exactly. That is why "can I get" is so powerful.
I really like that phrase. It's short, it's polite, and it works for any drink. Even for food, right?
Yes, I used it to order my cookie. I said, "Can I also get a chocolate chip cookie?" So you can use it for drinks and food.
Oh, that is right. I heard you say that. So, can I get is really the most important phrase today.
100%.
This latte is really good.
I am glad you like it. So, how was the whole experience? Was it hard?
Honestly, it was much easier than I expected. I was so worried before, but the phrases are really simple.
Right. Let's go over what you learned today. What is the most important phrase?
Can I get plus the drink? Like, can I get a tall latte?
Yes, that is the key phrase. You can use it for any drink. Can I get a grande coffee? Can I get a venti cappuccino? It always works.
And for the size, I just remember tall is small, grande is medium, venti is large.
Exactly. What about when the barista asks you a question?
They might ask, hot or iced, and I answer, hot please or iced please.
Good. And what is the other question?
For here or to go. If I want to stay, I say for here. If I want to take it outside, I say to go.
You remembered everything. And what about your name?
When they ask name, I just say my name. And when they call my name, I say, that's me.
You are getting really good at this.
Thank you. I feel much more confident now.
That is what matters. And honestly, you only need these phrases to order at Starbucks anywhere in the world.
Really? The same phrases work everywhere?
Yes, Starbucks is mostly the same in every country. The sizes are the same, the menu is almost the same, and the ordering style is the same. So once you learn how to order here, you can do it in America, Europe, or anywhere.
That is really nice. So if I travel, I can use the same English at Starbucks. That gives me confidence.
And you know what? If you can order at Starbucks, you can order at other coffee shops too. The style is very similar.
Oh, that is true. The phrases are almost the same at any coffee shop, right?
Yes, can I get works everywhere. All right, let me give you a quick summary. Number 1, use can I get to order. Number 2, remember the sizes. Tall, grande, venti. Number 3, answer hot or iced and for here or to go. And number 4, tell them your name when they ask.
That's it? Just those 4 things?
That's it. With just those 4 things, you can order at any Starbucks. You are ready.
I can't believe it is that simple. Thank you so much, Sam. I learned a lot today.
You're welcome. You did really well today. I'm proud of you. Next time, let's try ordering at a different coffee shop.
Yes, I want to try that. But for now, let me enjoy this latte.
Of course. Enjoy your latte, Mina.
Thank you, Sam. This is great.
It really is. Let's enjoy.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What is the smallest size called at Starbucks? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.